Show you how I use the 1stphorm tracking app, and let me know if you have any questions. All right, let's do this. So open your app. That should be your homepage. You'll see this live stream videos that are incredible. I highly want to encourage you to watch them. There's also workouts. You can either enter a custom one or you can do some workouts that are in the app. Those are really good too. You can take a photo of yourself so that way we see a before and after. If not, then you go to your nutrition tab. This is your diary. So here's a day where I filled in everything to perfection. Everything I had that day was measured and counted. You'll see there's 3 little dots on the upper right, and you can copy the entire day. So I copied it to today. Now, if I choose not to eat what is here, because you'll see I'm already swiping left to delete because I did not have these things today. Well, some of them I did. So you swipe left to delete whatever it is that you are not eating. See, I'm swiping left. And then you're going to add later. But now I find there's a supplements tab. And so I got intrigued to find the supplements I use. The OptiGreens are not in there, not yet. I'm sure they will update the app. And then I was able to find L-carnitine, so I added it. And then I was also able to find the digestive enzymes, and I went ahead and added those too. And it automatically saves it. I also added microfactor, or not. I'm still gonna have microfactor in my shake. So it automatically saves it for you. You'll see they're at the bottom right there. After that, let's go ahead and start to add some food back in. You'll see I was still kind of making updates just to show you how I delete things. So here we are at meal number 1. There's a little plus. There's also 3 little dots on the right. You're going to hit those 3 little dots. Sorry. Here I was editing. I did have a kind bar today. I had half. So I just edited the size. Just deleted some more things that I did not have. But here we go. Add food. You'll see at the top, I type in KR salmon because I already saved it. I'm actually eating that right now. Probably heard my microwave. And then I'm going to add the riced cauliflower. I type in cauliflower. It also saves the things that you eat all the time. I'm going to have 3 cups. Then I'm going to save the meal and I'm going to type in KR salmon dash cauliflower just so it saves my meal. So this way you don't have to create a new one. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please let me know.